Antarctica, the enigmatic continent at the southernmost tip of the Earth, is a realm of extreme contrasts. Enveloped by an icy shroud that reflects sunlight like a mirror of glass, it stands as a silent guardian of ancient mysteries and geological marvels. Unlike any other place on Earth, this frozen desert's unrelenting hostility is matched only by its awe-inspiring beauty and its treasure trove of scientific secrets. Here, amidst the howling winds and temperatures plunging below 80 degrees Celsius, or 112 degrees Fahrenheit, lies a mystical, otherworldly landscape shaped by nature's rawest forces. This essay takes you on a journey to uncover the mysteries, features, and astounding facts that define Antarctica, the coldest, driest, and windiest continent on our planet. Antarctica is often described as the White Continent, but beneath this deceptively simple title lies a complex tapestry of geographical extremes. Covering an area of 14 million square kilometers, or 5.4 million square miles, it is the fifth largest continent, nearly twice the size of Australia. Yet 98% of its surface is covered in ice, with an average thickness of over 2,100 meters, or 6,890 feet. The ice holds about 70% of the world's fresh water, and 90% of the planet's ice, making it a crucial element in Earth's climate and hydrological systems. Despite being blanketed in ice, Antarctica is classified as a desert due to its extraordinarily low precipitation, which averages less than 20 millimeters or 0.8 inches per year. This makes it the driest place on Earth, comparable to the hyper-arid Atacama Desert in Chile. However, unlike other deserts, Antarctica's sand dunes are composed of snow and ice, sculpted by relentless katabatic winds that can reach speeds of over 200 kilometers per hour, or 124 miles per hour. These winds are among the fiercest natural forces on Earth, descending from the high interior plateau and carving the icy landscape into a surreal mosaic of ridges, crevasses, and blue ice fields. One of Antarctica's most intriguing aspects is the ancient secrets locked beneath its ice sheet. The continent was not always frozen. Millions of years ago, it was a lush, temperate land teeming with forests and diverse wildlife. Fossilized remains of plants and animals found in the Transantarctic mountains and other areas provide glimpses into this verdant past. Beneath the ice lies a hidden world of subglacial lakes, mountains, and valleys. Lake Vostok, buried under 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles of ice, is one of the largest subglacial lakes on Earth and has been isolated from the surface for over 15 million years. Scientists believe it could harbor microbial life forms unknown to science, offering a tantalizing analog for potential extraterrestrial ecosystems, such as those on Jupiter's moon Europa. Additionally, the Gamburtsev Mountain Range, often referred to as Antarctica's Ghost Mountains, remains one of the greatest geographical mysteries. These peaks, as tall as the Alps, are entirely buried under ice, and their origin continues to baffle geologists. Advanced radar and seismic imaging have revealed a rugged, dynamic landscape beneath the ice, suggesting an earthly version of hidden worlds. Antarctica's atmosphere is as mysterious as its frozen terrain. For half of the year, the continent is bathed in unending daylight during the austral summer, while the other half plunges it into polar night, a time of perpetual darkness. This dichotomy creates an ethereal atmosphere that feels detached from Earth's normal rhythms. One of the most captivating phenomena is the Aurora Australis, or Southern Lights. These shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple light dance across the polar skies during the winter months, caused by charged particles from the solar wind colliding with Earth's magnetosphere. To witness the auroras over the Antarctic ice is to behold a spectacle so surreal that it defies description, a reminder of the universe's boundless beauty. Another astonishing phenomenon is the diamond dust, a type of ice crystal precipitation that occurs in extreme cold. These tiny glittering particles float through the air, refracting light into rainbows and creating a magical, dreamlike landscape. Combined with mirages caused by temperature inversions, the Antarctic desert often feels like a setting from a science fiction story. The largest iceberg ever recorded. In 2000, an iceberg named B-15 broke off the Ross Ice Shelf. Spanning 11,000 square kilometers, it was larger than Jamaica. This colossal fragment of ice floated for years, a drifting monument to the dynamic nature of Antarctica's ice. Home to the coldest temperature on Earth. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit at the Soviet Vostok station in 1983. In 2018, satellite data revealed even colder pockets reaching -144 degrees Fahrenheit in the interior regions. Dry valleys, Earth's closest analog to Mars Antarctica's McMurdo Dry Valleys, are one of the most extreme deserts on Earth. With no significant snowfall for nearly 2 million years, these valleys have conditions so hostile that they closely resemble the surface of Mars. Blue ice fields. Antarctica's blue ice fields are a marvel of natural compression. These areas, where the ice has been compacted over millennia, exhibit a translucent blue hue that seems almost otherworldly. These fields are also prime locations for finding meteorites, as the ice's flow brings space debris to the surface. The Southern Ocean's role in circling Antarctica. The Southern Ocean plays a critical role in regulating global temperatures. Its powerful circumpolar current, the strongest ocean current on Earth, isolates the continent thermally and contributes to the icy desert's unique conditions. Despite its inhospitable environment, Antarctica teems with life adapted to the extreme cold. The continent is home to iconic species like emperor penguins, Weddell seals, and Antarctic krill, which form the backbone of the region's ecosystem. These creatures survive through ingenious adaptations such as antifreeze proteins in their blood and insulated layers of blubber. Microbial life thrives in the most unlikely places, from the briny waters of subglacial lakes to the porous rock of the dry valleys. These extremophiles are not only vital to understanding the limits of life on Earth, but also to the search for life beyond our planet. Antarctica's harsh beauty has long captivated explorers, scientists, and adventurers. Early expeditions, such as those led by Ernest Shackleton and Robert Falcon Scott, were heroic tales of endurance and tragedy, forging a connection between humanity and this icy wilderness. Today, Antarctica is a hub for international scientific collaboration under the Antarctic Treaty, which designates the continent as a preserve for peace and research. Modern research stations like McMurdo Station and Concordia Station serve as bases for studying climate change, glaciology, and astronomy. The continent's isolation and minimal light pollution make it an ideal location for observing cosmic phenomena, including the elusive neutrinos that pass through Earth undetected. As climate change accelerates, Antarctica's future hangs in a delicate balance. Rising global temperatures threaten to melt its ice sheets, which could raise sea levels by up to 58 meters if fully melted. Such a catastrophic scenario underscores the importance of preserving this unique environment. Moreover, the potential for resource exploitation, such as mining for minerals or harvesting marine life, poses ethical and ecological dilemmas. The Antarctic Treaty has so far safeguarded the continent, but ongoing vigilance is essential to ensure its protection. Antarctica is more than an icy desert. It is a realm of extremes, a repository of Earth's geological history, and a frontier for scientific discovery. Its ethereal beauty and untamed landscapes evoke a sense of wonder and humility, reminding us of the planet's fragility and resilience. In the shimmering auroras, silent glaciers, and hidden subglacial worlds, Antarctica holds secrets that inspire and challenge humanity to better understand our place in the universe. As the last great wilderness on Earth, Antarctica is a testament to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of exploration. To journey there, even in imagination, is to step into a world that transcends the ordinary. A mystical, geographical wonder that forever captivates the human soul.